look at this cute little train station. We have entered the city of Rochelle, Illinois, and we're looking for a train. Of course we're looking for a train. Hopefully we can find one.
Rochelle is the railroad crossroads.
What does that mean?
There's lots of tracks going through here.
Okay, so he's guaranteeing I will get a train today.
What?
What do we have here? Some railroad tracks. It's currently 5:18. We'll see how long it takes for a train to come, or how long we're willing to sit here and wait for a train to come. Okay. We're moving to another spot here. Look, no train horn, but we saw lights down there. Oh, this is rocky here. We are now on the other side of the depot. So there are 4 sets of tracks going through this town, at least where we are. There's 2 here. These belong to the Union Pacific Railroad. And there are 2 more ahead there, and Dutch has walked ahead to see if he can see anything. When we drove into town, he thought he saw something waiting on the side tracks, waiting for a train to come through. It's coming, look at that. I might have to get out for this one. I'm so lazy, I don't like to get out. But I might have to for this one. I checked the time. How long did we have to wait? What's your guess?
Not very long. 3 minutes.
10 minutes.
Here?
Yeah.
No.
From when I said how long.
Oh yeah. But
When
we
I
drove
recorded
around
that.
town.
We drove around a block. Yeah. So
That's a long train without a DPU.
It was. It was very long. Yeah. In fact, I found my camera was sagging a little bit while I was recording.
Getting heavy?
I just was watching the train and not the camera.
Oh.
So that was fun.